So let's continue. Okay. So let's say that this problem. This is they have a rectangular array of numbers, the 40 rows and 75 columns. So they have those numbers here. Okay, we first row, second row, so they have like 40 rows. This is the first one, second one, and 40. And the column is so first column, second column. Okay, so and the adds the number in each row. So here add them up. So by rows x1, x2. Okay, and suppose this one's x40. And the average of his first average of his 40 sons is A. So A equal average of those 40 sons or 40 numbers. Okay, 40 over 40, right? So this is A. And basically added the number in each column. Okay, so here like first column added them up y1, second y2, and last one suppose this one added them up. So this is y75, and the average of her 75 sons is B. So B equals us equal y1 plus y2 plus y75 over 75. Okay. Okay. So the question is, what is the value of A over B? We want to find what is the value for A over B. Okay, so A over B is this number over this number. So here, the key point is this x1 plus x2 plus x40 is just the addition for all those numbers. So this equal y1 plus y2 plus y75. Right? So we let this number as m. So we say A equals this number m over 40, and B equals this number m over 75. Okay, so A over B equal, so cancel this m, so this equal 1 over 40, we say 1 over 40 over 1 over 75. So this equal just 75 over 40. Right? So we just check which answer is 75 over 40. So I think it's this D. Okay. So the question says, on the last day of school, Mrs. Awesome gave jelly beans to her class. So she gave each boy as many jelly beans as there were boys in the class. So what does this mean? This means if in the class they have 3 boys, then she give each boy 3 jelly beans, right? So if in the class have B boys, then each one give b. So this is just so being total being given to boy is just b times b squared. Okay, so for girl, same way like as for each girl, give the same number as girls in school, the same number of jury beings. So like if they have 5 girls, then she give each girl 5 jury beings. So for girls, total beings just g times g, right? G times g is g square beings. Need g square beings. Okay. So she bought 400 jury beings, and when she finished, she had 6 beings left. So she just give out 400 minus 6 equals 394. So she just gave 394 beings to the class. The question is, we want to find how many students. So number of students is we want to find b plus g, right? We want to find b plus g. So the condition is between b and g, they also have this. There were 2 more boys than girls. So b equal g plus 2. Okay, so we have this equation like all the beings give out to the class is for boy, we have g plus 2 boy, and then the beings g plus 2 square. So plus g square equal 394. So we get an equation for second degree polynomial equation, quadratic equation. But we cannot use the formula to solve this equation because this way will take too much time. So here we can say g is an integer. G is integer. So we can have a guess. We can guess what can be g. Because g can be 10. So we just check. Let's say if g is equal 10, 12 square plus 10 square can be this number, can be 394. So we find that this is not 394. Okay. So then g can be 11. So we just check 11 square, 13 square. This one can be 394. So we just check a last digit. So 13 square 9. This is 1. So last digit is 0. So we say cannot equal. So how about 12? G equal 12. 14 square. This equals 394. So let's check a last digit. So last digit, this is 4 square 6, and this 2 squared is 4. So last digit is 0. So this is not equal. So how about 13 and 15? This equals 394. So let's check the last digits. This is 5 square 5. 3 square 5. This is 5 last digit 5. This is 9. 5 plus 9 equal can be 4. So we find then we double check, we find this is true. So we know G equals 13 and B equals 15. So totally we have said B plus G have 28 students. Okay, so here a mixture of 30 liters of paint. We are 25% lead, so we can find like among the 30 25 lead, so we find it here 7.5 lead, 7.5 lead, and 30% of 39 it is yellow. And then for what 45%, so multiply 45, so we find this equal 13.5 is water. Okay. So here we 5 liters of yellow tint are added. So by now we have 7.5 lead, and here plus 5 so 14, right? 14 yellow, and this what? And here totally 35. Okay, so we want to find what is the percent of yellow. So percent of yellow is 14 over 35. Okay. So for this problem, this is a remaining set at the corner of a square with sides less 10 meters. So here we have a square. Okay. Set it to here, and the side is 10. Okay. So the remaining long 6.2 meters along the diagonal. So just go this way. So level to here. So this is 6.2 meters. Then at here it stopped. Make a 90 degree right turn. So go this way, right? This is 90 degree. Okay. Go 2 meters. So now the remaining is here. Okay. Okay. So what's the question? A scientist measures the shortest distance between the remaining and each side of square. So the distance from this point to this side, distance here, this one, and the distance to this, distance to this side, this, distance to this side, this. Okay, so suppose it's D1, distance D1, D2, okay, D3, D4. So the question is, what is the average of these 4 distances? So we want to find D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4 over 4. So it seems we need to find D1, D2, D3, D4. But from the graph, we can see like D1 plus D4 is just 10. d2 plus d3 just 10, right? So this just equal 20. So this problem actually is quite simple once you understand, right? Yeah. Okay. This guy leaves this city. So let's see. So this city we call this east this city at 8:30 a.m. Okay. On her bike, and he bikes at the uniform rate of 12 miles per hour. So speed this way, speed is 12 miles per hour. So Brian B leave this place. So this place is my leave this way, right? At 9 o'clock, and his speed is 16. So the both bike on the same 62 miles road between. So between the total distance. So the distance is 2 miles. So the question is, at what time they meet? So since these two guys, the starting time not the same. One is start from 8:30, the other start from 9:30. So we just consider start from 9:30. Okay. So start from 9:30. Let 9:30 be starting number. Let's say the starting time be t equals 0. So after the time t, they meet. So after the time t, this guy go 12t distance, and the other guy 16t. So they meet the equal total. This distance equal 62, but minus. So we 62 from here to here. So we just minus half hour. Half hour for this guy. So half hour, how many miles? So the speed is 12 miles per hour. So half hour is 6 miles. And so from here we can find t. Okay. So let's finish the job. The t. So here 28t equal 62 minus 6, 56. Okay, so t equal 2, right? Okay, t equal 2. So this t equal 2 hours. Okay, so from 9 to then 2 hours plus 2 hours, 11. Joe had walked half away from home to school. Okay, home to school. So halfway to here, he realized he was late. So he learned the rest of the way. So he increased his speed, right? So he learned 3 times as fast as he walked. So suppose walked as speed is v, then by now speed is 3v. So Joe took 6 minutes to walk. So here 6 minutes. Then here only need 2 minutes, right? Because he ran 3 times fast. So how many minutes did he take to get from home to school? So here 6 minutes, here's 2 minutes. So 8 minutes. Okay, so let's say so here we have 600 ml pictures. So this one 600. Okay, this also 600. So this one is only 1/3 full. So just only says, okay, so there's a count of 1/3, 1/3. And the other is 2/5. Okay, 2/5. So we put them together, they fill out water. So put it together, they fill out water. So we want to find what the fraction is orange juice. So we just check how much for orange juice for total. So just 1/3 times 600 plus 2/5 300 divided by totally is 600 plus 600. Just this. Okay, so we simplify. We cancel 600. 1/3 plus 2/5/2. So this is the complex fraction we want to simplify. So we just multiply by 15, right? So here is 30. Here multiply 15, 5. This multiply 15, 6. So this equal like 11/30. Okay, so this problem says two-thirds of people are seated. So 1/3 not are standing, right? So see, I see that in 3/4 of the chairs. So here we have 2 unknown variables. Total people, number of people, or number of chairs. Okay, we have 2 unknown variables. So we just change this for the sentence to equation. We say so 2/3p equal 3/4c. Okay, and okay, Okay, so let's say, so if there are 6 empty chairs, so this means like a 3/4, like a 3/4 chairs have some people sit there, but the empty chairs 1/4 seats, those are empty chairs. Empty chairs, right? So those are seated chair. So what the condition we say this equals 6. So from here we can easily find C equal 24. Saying what is C, what is P? So we can easily to solve this P, right? 2/3P equal 3/4 times 24. So and so we can easily find the P, yeah. Okay, so equals 3 times 6 times 6 over 2. Okay, so we say this equal 27 here. Okay, so this is at a party. There are only single women and a married man with their wives. So we have, let's say, so in the party we have 3 kinds of people, like a single woman, and a married man and a married woman, right? So we have a married man, woman, and married man. We have actually we have 3 kinds of people. Okay. So we don't know how many of them. So we put this as we say here, single woman have X of them, and a married woman we have Y of them, and a married man and married woman should be the same number, right? So X, Y, Y. So if we consider their numbers like that, X, Y, Y. Okay, so the keywords thus, the probability that the random select woman is single. So here we just from woman pick one, randomly pick select woman. So this woman have 2 cases, single or married, right? So the probability for single is 2 or 5. So we say such probabilities are equal. Like, so this probability should be X over the total woman, X plus Y. This equal 2/5. Okay. Okay, so what we need to find is what fraction of people in the room are married men. Married men. So we want to find what we want to find why married men or all the people in the room. All the people in the room is X plus 2Y. Okay, so we want to find this. So the condition is we know this, like X over X plus Y equals this, 2/5. So we want to find this. So now the problem become algebra problem, right? So let's say, so from here 2/5, so we just change, let's say, we just divide by X, right? So we say 1 over 1 plus y over x equal 2 over 5. So we change this 2 as 1. So 1 over 5 over 2. Okay, and we change this 5 over 2 as 1 plus 3 over 2, right? Okay, so we say y over x equal 3 over 2. Okay, so now we can say that y x plus 2y. So we just divide by x, right? Y over x. So y over x is 3 over 2. So divided by x is 1. Y over x, so 2 times 3 over 2. Okay, so then we can find this number. Let's say a little bit of calculation. We put it to here. Okay, so go to here. So we multiply by 2, so this becomes 3, 2, 2 plus plus 2, 6. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this equal 3 over 8. So this problem quite the same as the one we discussed before. How many boards, how many manuals. So here for bicycle we have 2. Those bicycle we have bicycle and tricycle. So bicycle we have 2 wheels, and we have 3 wheels. So let's say how many. So we said put x for x kids ride bicycle, and y kids circle. Okay, so we can easily get the equation from here. Okay, so x plus y equals 7, and total wheels, so we have 2x plus 3y equal 19. So we want to find how many. We want to find y, right? Find y. That's y equal. So we just cancel x. Let's see. So cancel x. So we just change the first equation to 2x plus 2y equal 14. Okay, so we will very quickly we get y equal this equation minus this equation, 3y minus 2y, y equal 5. Okay. So let's stop. Time to stop. So we will continue. Okay.